In the senior care home environment, people depend on caretakers and staff. There's no room for error, especially when it comes to medication management. To keep the residents safe, it's critical to get so many things right. What medications should they be taking? At exactly what time? At what dosage? What medications, if administered incorrectly, could have an adverse reaction if taken in combination with one another? Getting this wrong can lead to potentially dangerous conditions that cause a majority of hospitalizations for seniors and, in turn, unexpected vacancies within care facilities. Or in milder cases, incorrect medication combinations can lead to constipation, confusion, and low energy levels. With the traditional method of delivering medications, the process can also be very time-consuming, requiring caretakers to manage countless pill bottles or single blister packs. This leaves the staff to spend hours of their precious time doing things like calling in refills, filling in weekly or monthly pill organizers, and maybe doing it all over again if they make a mistake. That's why at Advanced Prescription Services, we make your medication management easier. One way is by offering the Multiblister medication adherence packaging. This easy-to-use medication packaging takes all of the guesswork out of medication management. The packaging comes on one card and includes multiple medication compartments from Monday through Sunday, morning, noon, evening, and bedtime. Clearly printed on the card are the patient's information, the medication generic name along with the brand name, a picture and description of the medication, so you'll always know what dose to take next and whether you missed a dose. All of this is done through our multi-check quality assurance process. As our certified pharmacy technicians fill the medication, they check that what is on the label is exactly what is in your blister. Then, a final check is conducted before it's sealed to make sure the right drug is in the right blister under the right time of day. If you're going out or need to hand it off, you can simply tear that dosage off the card and take it with you. You can do this for a single dose or for a day's worth of doses or even 2 days of meds if needed. For example, if you're going on vacation or taking your loved one out somewhere for a weekend. So now you can have peace of mind. You don't have to worry about whether your residents are taking the right medication at the right dose at the right time. To get started, call Advanced Prescription Services at 214-703-9100. One of our team members will assist you with getting started with the whole multi-blister process. Once you're up and running with our multi-blister system, the meds will be synced and there won't be a need to call in refills on routine medications. We deliver to your facilities free of charge and make sure that any medication changes are handled quickly so you're not waiting on new or adjusted meds. To help you stay compliant, we also offer quarterly drug destruction services conducted by a registered pharmacist, quarterly medication consultations to ensure your residents are clear of any possible drug interactions, as well as printing off medication administration records or MARs. We also offer a full line of durable medical equipment. So call Advanced Prescription Services today and let us show you what superior service we can offer your facility.